If your domain is parked in GoDaddy and you want to point it to your real website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unpark a domain in GoDaddy by updating the DNS settings and replacing the parked IP with your hosting server IP. This is a simple fix, but it's important to do it the right way so your domain starts loading your actual website instead of the default parked page. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick website and domain tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, before you make any changes in GoDaddy, you need to get your web hosting IP address. To do that, log into your hosting provider account. This could be Hostinger, Bluehost, GoDaddy Managed WordPress, or any other hosting service you use. Once you're inside your hosting dashboard, look for your website's server IP address. In most hosting control panels, this is shown on the main dashboard or in the website details section. Copy the IP address carefully because this is the value you'll use to unpark the domain and point it to your live website. Now open a new tab and log into your GoDaddy account. Once you're signed in, go to your domain portfolio. This is where all of your domains are listed in one place. Find the domain you want to unpark and click on it. After that, look for the DNS settings or the Manage DNS option. This is where all of the domain's records are controlled, including the A record that tells the internet where your domain should point. Inside the DNS settings, scroll down until you find the A record. You're looking for the row where the type says A and the name says @ The @ symbol represents the root domain, which means your main domain without any extra subdomain like www. This is usually the record that sends your domain to the parked IP address. Next to that record, click Edit. When the Edit window opens, you'll see a value field. This is where the parked IP address is currently listed. In many cases, GoDaddy uses a default parked IP, like 3.3, 3.100 and 30.100, and 90 or 15.100 and 97.100 and 48.3. You want to delete that default value and replace it with the actual hosting IP address you copied earlier from your web host. Make sure you enter the IP exactly as shown in your hosting dashboard, because even one wrong digit can prevent your site from loading properly. After updating the value, double-check that you're editing the A record for @ and not another record by mistake. Once everything looks correct, click Save. GoDaddy will store the new DNS setting and begin pointing your domain toward your hosting server. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully update across the internet. In some cases it happens quickly, but in others it may take a few minutes or even up to 24 to 48 hours. If you also use WWS, you may want to check that record too, especially if your website needs both the root domain and the WWS version to work properly. But for most parked domain fixes, updating the main A record is the key step that unblocks the domain and sends visitors to your actual website. And that's it. You've now learned how to unpark a domain in GoDaddy by changing the A record from the parked IP to your hosting IP address. This is one of the easiest ways to connect your domain to your website without getting lost in technical jargon. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.